Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It is another day, so it is another video for us. And now we're going to make an activities for chapter 4, which is the network access. But before that, what is about chapter 4? In this chapter, begins with the general functions of the physical layer and the standards and protocols that manage the transmission of data across local media. It is also introduced the functions of the data link layer and the protocols associated with it. So let's start. We are going to answer the activities in this chapter. First is the activity in 4.1.3.5, entitled as Physical Layer Terminology. The instructions is descriptions of the physical layer are provided in the table. Drag each physical layer term to its description. This is the physical layer description, and we're going to put a term. First is the media that uses patterns of microwaves to represent bits. It is a wireless. The capacity of a medium to carry data. It is a bandwidth. The third one is media that uses patterns of light to represent bits. It is a fiber optic, I guess. A measure of the transfer of bits across the media. This is a throughput. Yes, throughput. The last one is media that uses electrical pulses to represent bits. We have copper. Let's check. We have successfully matched each physical layer term to its description. So let's proceed to the next activity. In this chapter, we have in 4.2.1.7, we have the copper media characteristics activity. It says that the instructions is UTP, STP, and coaxial copper media characteristics are provided in the table. Click the appropriate field to match the characteristic to the media type. So we're going to guess if the characteristic is for the UTP, STP, or coaxial. Okay, number 1 is attaches antennas to wireless devices can be bundled with fiber optic cabling for two-way data. I think it is for for attaches antennas. I think it's coaxial. Right. Second, counters EMI and RFI by using shielding techniques and special connectors. I think it is the STP. Yeah, STP. The third one is most common network media. Most common. UTP. Slant. Can you see? And the last one is terminates with BNC, N-type, and F-type connectors. Um, um, for Koshal. So let's check if our answer is all correct. I hope so that we have successfully matched again each copper media characteristic to its media type. So now we're going to proceed to the third activity in this chapter, which is the fiber optics terminology. There a parade in outside. I don't know what kind of parade. I just hear my other cousin. So by the way, let's proceed to this activity, which is we can see in 4.2.3.7. The activity entitled Fiber Optics Terminology. And the instruction is descriptions of fiber optic media are provided in the table. Click the appropriate field to match the description to the fiber optic cable type. So we will have to click the appropriate field to match description to the fiber optic cable type. So let's proceed to the number 1. The number 1 is can help data travel approximately 1.24 miles or excuse me 2 km per 2000 meter. It is a multi-mode. Second is uses light emitting diodes or LEDs as a data light source transmitter. Also, it is a multi-mode. Number 3, uses lasers in a single stream as a data light source transmitter. As you can see, there is a word for single stream, so it is for the single mode. Used to connect long distance telephony and cable TV applications. Long distance, so it is single mode again. Can travel approximately 62.5 miles or 100 km per 10,000 meter. Also single mode. And lastly is used within a campus network. Campus, so it means multi-mode. Let's check. Yes, we have successfully matched each fiber optics description to its cable type. So we're going to proceed to the last activity in this chapter. For this chapter, we can see this activity in 4.4.4.3. There is a part 1 and part 2 of this activity. Okay. Let's proceed to the part 1. The generic frame fields. Instruction is drag the generic frame field to its correct location on the diagram. First, we have header. Next is packet data in this first layer. So, and the third is trailer. So we'll proceed on the second layer, which is frame. Of course, we should start for frame start. Frame then addressing, then type. What is the type? Then control, then data, then error detection, and we will end into the frame stop. So let's check if it is correct. Yes, we have it. We are correct. So now we're going back to this. So guys, I hope that you have get an idea on my video, so that you can answer your activities and don't be contented in your answer. Just read and read about this chapter, because it is very important that we know what will be the answer in every questions that we can make or we can take for this chapter. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Before you end up in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my other videos that will be uploaded.